Hi everyone, it's Zoe from Sight Hampshire. I am the smartphone advisor and I help visually impaired people get the best out of their smart devices. Now today I want to show you some features on the iPhone and iPad that I find very useful being visually impaired, and I hope it would be useful for yourself as well. So it's called Voiceover. And what Voiceover is a built-in feature, so you don't need to buy any more things for your iPhone or iPad, and you don't need to download any apps for this. It's already in your device, in your accessibility settings, and what it does is it will talk the screen. So whatever you tap on the screen or slide your finger across the screen, whatever text it finds, it will talk it, and it will also describe certain photos as well in photo camera roll, and when you're browsing around the internet or on Facebook, so it will describe photos where possible. So to get Voiceover to work, you've got two options. We've got more than two options, but the easiest two options are to turn Voiceover on. You can ask Siri to do it, which is the easiest way, or you can go to your settings and go to accessibility. So I will show you how to do that way, and then obviously show you the way with Siri. So at the moment my Voiceover is on, and if you can see the screen, you can see that there is a white square box around my Messages app, which is showing, if you have useful vision, that Voiceover is on, and that's where it's going to start speaking as I slide. So with one finger, I'm going to slide my finger across the screen to move to the next app, which will tell me what it is. One finger.
URL milk folder, 2 apps.
I must have touched down the bottom.
Amazon, Zoom, Messages.
So my Voiceover is on, and it's on sitting on Messages with a white square around it, if you've got any useful vision. Now if I swipe right across the screen, it will move to the next app.
Clock 14:31.
Okay, now we want to go to settings to set up Voiceover. So if I keep scrolling
Calendar,
right,
photography folder, lifestyle folder, productivity folder, settings.
it's
One
now
new
found
item.
settings. So if I double tap with that one finger,
Settings.
it will take me into settings. I'm just going to go back because I am already in where we need to go.
Heading.
So now I'm in settings. I need to find the accessibility.
Settings. Heading. Search field.
So I could either type accessibility in that search field, or I can keep scrolling down with my one finger. I'm scrolling across the screen, sorry, and it takes me down the screen. And I'm looking for accessibility.
Control center. Display brightness. Home screen. Accessibility.
There it is. So now if I double tap with one finger,
accessibility features help you customize your iPhone to your individual needs.
Okay, so it's opened up accessibility, then we have lots of options. So if I swipe right with my one finger,
vision, heading,
tells me that's a heading. If I swipe right again,
Voiceover, on, button.
Okay, so obviously Voiceover is already on because that is what you're hearing talk. If I double tap with one finger,
Voiceover, on.
Okay, now if I double tap again,
Voiceover off.
Voiceover is now off. So now my phone will not talk to me at all, and then that makes it very difficult for me to know what's on my screen. So to turn Voiceover on with using Siri, all you have to do is say, "Hey Siri, turn on Voiceover."
Okay, Voiceover is now on.
Okay, that's as easy as that. That is how you turn Voiceover on. My next video will be showing you how to use Voiceover.
Back button.
There are several finger and hand gestures to navigate around your device with Voiceover on. Once you've learnt those techniques, it does get very easy. So please look out for my next video on how to use Voiceover. If you have any questions or you'd like a tutorial, please get in touch with me at Open Sight Hampshire on 02380 641 244, or you can email info@opensight.org.uk. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.